You have always claimed to be an Ikwere man.
Yes.
And that you are not an Igbo man.
Yes.
An Ikwere man.
Yes.
Like you.
Yes.
A well-recognized one. Former Senate President pro tempore.
Yes.
The distinguished Senator John Asutambata has just been elected as the president of Ohanese Indigo.
Yes.
A pan-Igbo social-cultural organization.
Yes.
Has that made you to be an Igbo man? Or every Ikwere man?
No, don't go there, no. I'm a typical unrepentant Igbo man, Ikwere man. I'm not an Igbo. Listen, get it clear. I have no problem with Igbo people, and I have not had problem with them. I've associated with Igbo people. The mere fact we're all in southeastern Nigeria. The mere fact we're in northern Nigeria doesn't make you an Hausa man. Doesn't make you a Fulani man. Doesn't make you a Kanuri person. Doesn't make you not a thief person. The mere fact that you share some similarities, the languages are close, doesn't make you that you are sorry for it. I mean, what is all these things? Senator Asutambata has a right to associate with whoever you want to associate. I, as Ezewo Yesom Wike, an unrepentable Ikwere man, an unrepentable Igbo man, I'm not an Igbo man.
Okay, but are you happy that an Ikwere man
want to say
is Ohanese president?
Please, I'm not a member of Ohanese. So what I'm not a member, how can you tell me? I don't know what they're doing there.
He's a kinsman.
But by default now, your kinsman is the chairman.
What benefit will I derive? Something I'm not a member of. You know what is there. You know why you are there. You know the benefit that will accrue to you. So, if it's going to be good, okay. But as Ogbagi Ikwere, they have spoken. And Ogbagi Ikwere have said, count us out. And where Ogbagi Ikwere is where I am. I will never, for anything, no matter the disadvantage. Some of my fellow colleagues come to tell me, don't talk on this, I say, don't talk on what? You know, by your position. I say, So, because of politics, I will deny my identity. Because I'm from a minority, I will not do that one. I will never deny my identity simply because I want to be recognized, to be majority. I will not do it.
Are you happy for him?
If he's happy, why would I say I'm not happy for him? I mean, why would I say so? If that will suit you, okay. But for me, as a honored man, as a great person, I am where I am, and I will not be. Igbos we are very close. We do things together. We have similarities in so many things. But that does not mean I should go and change my identity now. Simply because he said I should be. Simply because I'm a politician. Oh, somebody told me yesterday, you know, you may want to president this country. I said, okay, get out from here. Get out. I want the president. So what? That's why I should go and answer somebody's mother's